Hi there, my name is Greg Engert. I'm the beer director for the Neighborhood Restaurant Group. A collection of beer specialist bars and restaurants in Washington, D.C., Northern Virginia, North Bethesda, Maryland, and New York City. Today we are at Shelter, our soon-to-be beer bar. Getting the beer is one thing, but making sure that it tastes perfect every single day is far more difficult. So I created a flavor profile system whereby all the different craft beers we have our hands on could be broadly categorized into 7 major flavor categories: crisp, hop, malt, roast, fruit and spice, smoke, and tart and funky. Making sure that your staff is trained to be able to build experiences around each of the beers takes a ton of effort. It takes a lot of passion day in and day out to make sure that the glassware is clean, that the specific glass is chosen, that we pair the beer to specific foods from our kitchen, and overarchingly just add layers of knowledge, enjoyment, and experience to the consumption of that craft beer. To learn more about world-class beer service, click the link below.